Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my iPhone. One person suggested it, so I was like, you know what? I should do a what's in my iPhone. We're gonna jump right into the video. So this is my phone case. I got it from Amazon. I'm gonna link it in the description below if you guys want to match with me. And then also I have this little sticky thing. So when you make videos or want to take a picture, you just stick it right onto something. I love having these on my phone and they're so convenient. I'm really obsessed with polka dots at the moment. And I have the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I have the white color. I don't know the exact name of it. I usually get black or sometimes silver, but I've never had a white one. And I think it's probably one of my favorite colors. I'm going to show you guys my lock screen first. It's just a picture of me and my boyfriend. I put it black and white because I thought it looked cuter. I'm going to put a screen recording right here on the side. I have this widget on the very top and it's just the calendar. I really like that this widget shows the date and then the day over it. So if I'm ever like, oh, what day is the 21st on? I can just see and it's Thursday. And then I have my photos app. I have this Simply calendar. I'm really used to this one and it's what I use to schedule like all my clients and things that I'm doing during the day. I love how I can color them. It's just an app that I used from the very beginning of when I started scheduling my clients and I've just stuck with it and I'm used to it. I prefer it over the regular calendar. I have Safari, the camera app. I have all of the apps that I prefer using on the very front and I do have it color coordinated. I have this little quote that says the universe is on my side. I just got it from Pinterest. I'll probably switch it in the future, but that's just the one that I have right now. And then I have this other widget on the very bottom of my dog. I got the little camera picture on Pinterest and then I went to background remover in Safari, removed the background and went back and added the photo of my dog over it. I have Spotify. I used to use Apple Music, but my boyfriend has me on his Spotify account. I'm still trying to get used to it. I will say I prefer Apple Music, but maybe it's just because that's what I've used since the very beginning. Next, I have Messages, the Tesla app. I have Depop, which for some reason it logged me out and I've been trying to log back in. On the very bottom, I have the apps that I reach for the most when I'm on my phone, and that's Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. This is my TikTok if you guys want to follow me on there. I try to post a lot on TikTok as well. And I also got this background from Pinterest. Typically, I love pink floral, as you can see, like my bed, but I really liked the blue in this one. So over here, I don't like to have my apps all scattered in one page, so I put them in each folder by category. So on the very first folder, I have editing. Alpha Linker is where I can see the photos on my digital camera. My digital camera has Wi-Fi and I can just connect it to this app and transfer the photos that way instead of using an adapter. I really like that app. Then I have the DJI application and that's for my camera. It's what I'm using to film right now. I have the Osmo Pocket 3. I have Canva and that's what I edit my thumbnails on. And Dropbox is for when I want to email a file to someone and make it into a link. We use that if I have to send over a video that needs to get approved. Fonto is also another thing that I use to make my thumbnails just because I like the fonts on there better. YouTube Studio just gives me more of like insights on my YouTube channel. I use CapCut more for TikToks on my phone and then I also have CapCut on my computer and that's what I use to edit my YouTube videos. I do want to try different editing software, but that's just the one that I'm using at the moment. Don't really use Visco that much. Just downloaded Lightroom. I used to have it and then I re-downloaded it again. I love editing my photos on Lightroom. You can adjust the exposure, the temperature of the photo. And then I also just got this app. It's called Feed Preview and you can just add photos, see what your Instagram feed is gonna look like. I haven't used it yet. I plan on using it from now on because I feel like I want my feed to look cuter. Over here, I just have work, banking, a clock. I don't know why I have my clock on here. I think it's just because I use the alarm for work. So I just put it under my work folder. Venmo, Gmail, I also use for work. Notes, I also use for work. If I need to write down how much I made for the day or something like that, then I'll add it on notes. And this is my shop category. I have Sephora, Uber, Macari. I love Macari because I find a lot of cute Coach bags on there for really cheap. Let's see if there's any at the moment. Not really any that are catching my attention. You just have to be on top of it. Once someone posts a bag on there for really cheap, it's gone like this in 2 seconds. I have Etsy, which I also love using, Ulta, Amazon, eBay, Target, Yelp, Revolut, which is a way that you can transfer money internationally. It's like Zelle. My boyfriend will send me money sometimes on Revolut, so that's why I have it. Afterpay, Whatnot. I have sold on Whatnot once, but I haven't used it recently. Carlana, it's like another Afterpay. Poshmark, I love Poshmark as well. Google, I'll import a photo. Say I want to figure out what this bag is called or how much it's going for. I'll click on that and just go through the photos, and it'll bring up what the bag is called and show other listings. Over here, I just have a bunch of extras like Facebook, weather, Messenger, App Store, mail, Find My Friends, settings, LA Fitness, Netflix. Keep Smile is an application for my lights behind my bed, but I don't really use it. Passwords, WhatsApp, phone, FaceTime, maps. I just have it all on the extra folder. Oh yeah, and then right here on the very first page, if you swipe to the left, I have the battery percentage on my phone. I have the Flow app. So I'm on day 1 of my period, unfortunately. The weather app, I always check the weather for outfits that I'm gonna wear sometimes, so I just love having that widget. My Spotify, and then my calendar. And if I have something written down, it'll pop up. Very convenient. Basically it for what's in my iPhone. So yeah, that's everything for my iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.